Gue nggak stream. Terakhir streaming kapan? Bingung main apa? Mari, apakah viewer di channel ini masih subur atau tidak? Kita lihat saja. Masih ada ternyata, bro. Sudah lama padahal gue nggak streaming. Masih ada orang di situ. Babak knockout hari 8. Tumben, iya Sep. Tumben. Lagi pengen namatin game. Kok WA sih? Discord. Gue lagi pengen main nih. Aduh, apa ya? Di notification. At everyone gak ya? At everyone dah, gak apa deh. Gak. Aduh. Ada, yuk main yuk. Masih lah, gue mesti. Iya dah, iya. Kita main The Last of Us ya. Main story, jangan continue karena bukan saya yang main. Kita main di Grounded kau. Enggak, udah jangan aneh-aneh. Normal aja, normal. Udah normal. Gak usah aneh-aneh. Grounded dah. New save data. Namatin main quest gimana? Aduh, masih waiting aja itu. Gue liat-liat. Masih waiting aja. Grounded game kan ya. Tahu gue. Alright. Suaranya jelas gak sih? Anak kecil. Tahu.
Tommy, listen to me. He is the contractor. He's the contractor, okay? I can't lose this job. I understand.
Aduh, seperti biasa. Suara kipas PS kenceng banget. Aduh.
Hey.
Scoot.
Monday at work, huh?
Padahal gue udah jauh banget tuh. Udah kayak 2 meter dari PS gitu.
Good, what time is it?
It's way past your bedtime.
But it's still today.
Honey, please not right now. I do not have the energy for this.
Here,
What's this?
your birthday? You kept complaining about your broken watch. So, figured, you know. You like it?
Serius lu?
Honey,
Gue
this
mah
is-
serius, Sep. Apalagi
It's better.
bla 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 bla. Apalagi
I think
kalau
it's stuck. It's not.
What? No. Oh, ha.
Where did you get the money for this?
Drugs. I sell hardcore drugs.
Oh, good. You started helping out with the mortgage then.
Yeah, you wish.
aduh, ketiduran. Setengah 2. Ya besok ada yang balik. So tau banget. Nah, seperti itu. Lagi tidur di sofa, tiba-tiba bangun di kasur saja. Semua orang ngerasain lah ya. Gue balik badan. Maksudnya gue, aduh apa tuh? Mau melesetin apa lu? Halo?
Hello?
Sarah, honey, I need to get your daddy on the phone.
Uncle Tommy, what time is it?
I need to talk to your dad now. There's something.
Uncle
What?
Tommy? Hello?
Uncle Tommy. Oke. Here we go. Mari kita bermain
What was that?
sebagai anak ini. Jam berapa sekarang? Udah jam nggak? Ini bisa bikin track.
Phone's dead.
Oh, itu di situ ada foto 3 orang. Ini cara ngezoom gimana ya? Halo, jadi bisa ngezoom. Oh ya sudah. 3 orang, yang satu tadi bapaknya, yang satu anaknya, satu lagi mungkin si Uncle Tommy itu ya.
Dang it.
Maksudnya
I
gue.
gave this to him.
Congratulations. Nggak usah dibaca, ini cuma ucapan selamat ulang tahun kan. Kalau misalkan ada note-note kayak gitu, kemungkinan besar gak, karena kelamaan bro. Satu lagi istrinya yaitu, hah, orang cowok peli ya. Cowok cok, astaga, itu cowok tuh yang sebelah kanan, mungkin yang sebelah kiri. Hah, itu siapa cok? Istrinya ya? Gak tau dah. Ya siapa tahu. Kirain gue dia ngeliat yang kanan gitu. Bola. Dad. Kamar mandi. Hah? Ada apa itu? Berita apa itu, bro? Mantap. Mana bro bola? Saya mau bawa bola. Hati-hati jump scare yuk. Belum. Masa baru mulai ada jump scare, bro.
Daddy?
Main bola. Nah, ini TV masih nyala nih.
You in here?
Nope.
Where are you?
Kamar dia berarti ya?
It's nearby.
There seems to be some commotion coming from the...
Oh, shoot.
What was that?
Oh, no.
Oh god.
Kayaknya ini bukan game horror deh kayaknya ya. Sepertinya bukan game horror ini, bro. Lebih ke thriller mungkin. Atau action, atau ya gitulah. Dad. Di sini kah? Gitar. Ya. Kedinginan dia cok.
Dad?
Bolanya bisa dimainin nggak? Nah. Awas masuk kolong. Cok. Ya sudah lah ya. Awas ada portal. Ntar ke dunia kuantum. Anjir lu kata Ant-Man, dunia kuantum. Oh no. Polisi, bro. Itu kayaknya mau ke rumah sakit di sebelah sana tadi. Gitar. Lumayan detail loh. Halo. Itu kenapa ada suara anjing menggonggong?
There's his phone.
Oh, masih ada handphone berarti belum jauh orangnya.
8 missed calls. Where the hell are you? Call me on my way.
2:50 AM. Jam 2.15 ini berarti baru apa namanya? Dia baru tidur berarti si Sarahnya. Tadi kan 1:30 kan? Pas dia dipindahin. I'm going to be home late tonight to have an order food.
Where
Siang.
is he?
Dia pergi katanya. Berisik banget itu udah dead. Masih siang. Apaan? Cok. Oh ini astaga. Tiba-tiba dia kayak gitu. Nggak ngerti gue. Halo. Oh itu dia. Itu dia.
Here you are.
Sarah, are you okay?
I'm good.
Here?
Did anyone come in
Udah
here?
masih siang dah
No
kita.
one would come in here.
Don't go near the doors. Just stand
Oh
back there.
oke.
Dad, you're kind of freaking me out. What's going on?
Dia ngambil pistol tuh bro.
Somebody ride with them. I think they're sick.
Kind of sick.
Oh shit.
Jimmy,
Dad?
come here. Come here. Jimmy.
Oh no.
Jimmy, I am warning you. Don't.
Zombie bukan horor bro. Tapi kaget juga saya itu tiba-tiba dia ngedobrak pintu kayak gitu.
You shut him.
Ada monster kayak itu zombie.
Saw him this morning.
There is something bad going on. You've got to get over here. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
Tom, come on.
Tommy, Uncle Tommy. Yuk.
Where the hell you been? You have any idea what's going on out there?
I got some notion.
Holy shit. You got blood all over you.
Hey, man, let's just get out of here.
This ain't half the people in Sydney lost their minds.
Let's go.
Some sort of parasite or something.
Ada sunroofnya bro.
Hey, Sarah. How you holding up, honey?
I'm fine. Can you hear us on the radio?
Yeah, sure thing.
Thanks.
Itu rumah sakitnya ke arah sana.
Cell phone. Yeah, we're doing great. Maybe the newsman wouldn't shut up.
He said, where to go?
He said, Army's put up roadblocks.
Masa iya zombie kayak begitu di film-film gak ada yang sampai dobrak pintu. Ya berarti
Take the 7
That's right.
oh nggak tahu jenisnya beda. Baru main ini bro. Saya juga belum tahu itu kenapa orang itu bisa
Family all mangled and
kayak gitu.
Homies.
Mereka nggak mau ngomongin hal tersebut di depan anak kecil.
Jesus Christ, how did this happen?
they got no clue. But we ain't the only town. First they're saying it's just the south. The east coast, the west coast. Holy hell. That's Lewis's farm. Hope that son just made it out.
Sure he did.
Are we sick?
No.
Gua tahu kenapa dia gila gitu.
What do you know?
Gara-gara kangen kali sama doa. Lah.
Didn't Jimmy work in the city?
That's right, he did. We're fine. Trust me.
Alright.
Kita keluar kota kah?
Let's see what they need.
What do you think you're doing? Keep driving.
I got a kid, Joe.
So do we.
But we have room.
Keep driving, Tommy. I see what I see. Someone else will come along.
Should have.
Ambulan. Oh, hati-hati.
Everyone and their mother had the same damn idea.
Macet bro. Oh no, itu dia zombinya. Itu dia zombinya. Agresif sekali.
Holy shit!
Cok, tolong. Astaga.
Did you see that? Yes. God damn. Turn here. Turn here.
Come on, people, move.
What are they running from?
Get us out.
I'm trying.
Oh no.
Get away, get away.
We can't stop here,
I
Tommy.
can't fucking drive through them, Joe!
Back up there.
They're behind me, too!
There. Hold on. Go.
Oh. Oke. Gua nggak lagi lihat ke kiri. Tiba-tiba lookout aja. Oh. Kaca mobil lebih tebal itu armornya. Kaca mobil memang tebel, bro. Kaget nggak tuh? Nggak aman. Lebih kaget tadi pas si zombinya dobrak pintu. Itu gue lebih kaget itu daripada ketabrak tadi. Ayo papa, kita keluar. Oh. Setebal iman gua, amin ya Allah. Sudah tidak punya mobil. Aduh.
Keep us safe. Come on, baby. Hold on tight.
Lari. Di belakang ada apa, bro? Oh no. Ada zombie. Oh.
Keep running.
These people are on fire.
Seru ini, bro. Seru sekali ini prolognya.
Keep looking at me, baby. Over there.
Mana?
We're gonna get out of this. I promise.
Itu tangan si Sarahnya nembus gitu loh. Uncle Tommy mana Uncle Tommy? Awas dong. Permisi. Halo guys, aduh ada Pak. Cuk. Ada Farel ya Ulhak. Seru ini. Lu nggak lihat ini prolognya? Prolognya saja sudah seru sekali. Bar. Kok mati, Cuk? Saya sudah gerak loh itu, astaga. Dia kayak berhenti gitu, Cuk. Wah, ayo cepet.
Get to the highway. Go, you got Sarah. I can outrun him.
Uncle Tommy?
I will meet you there. Hurry.
Alright, kita sendiri.
He's gonna be fine.
Highway itu. Gue mau liatin itu aja. Hal indah. Lari, Cok. Jangan berhenti lah. Kok berhenti sih dia? Anjir lah. Masa baru prolog udah mati 2 kali. Belum perang kan ini. Tuh, dia berhenti gitu loh. Lari, Cok. Cabut, Cok. Oke, cutscene. Oke. Ada yang nyelamatin.
It's okay, baby. We're safe. Hey, we need help. Stop, please. It's my daughter. I think her leg is broken. Stop right there.
Oke.
You're not sick.
Got a couple civilians in the outer perimeter. Please advise.
Eddie, what about Uncle Tommy?
We'll get you to safety and get back around, okay?
Sir, there's a little girl. But... Yes, sir.
Aduh, ditembak kita.
Through hell. We just need... Please don't.
Uncle Tommy.
Oh no.
Aduh, berhenti kayak gak bisa, biar dia aja. Dia takut kehilangan anaknya, yo. Oh iya
I
iya.
know, baby, I know.
Ya ya. Ketembak.
Listen to me. I know this hurts. You're gonna be okay, baby. Stay with me. I'm gonna pick you up. I know, baby. I know it hurts. Come on, baby. Please. I know, baby. I know.
She's
Sarah.
not gonna make it. Aduh.
Baby. Don't do this to me, baby. Don't do this to me. No. No. No.
The number of confirmed deaths has passed 200. The governor has called a state of emergency.
Hundreds and hundreds of bodies.
Ya berarti masa nggak seru sih. Itu di luar kontrol gua lo. Para dia bunuh kakak kecil bukan gua cok.
With the bureaucrats out of power, we can
World
finally take the
Health
necessary
Organization.
Los Angeles is now the latest city to be placed under martial law. All residents are required to report to their designated quarantine. Riots have continued for a third consecutive day.
Katanya masih
and
ada
winter
Los
rations
Angeles
are at an all-time
yang
low.
masih hidup katanya.
A group calling themselves the Fireflies have claimed responsibility for both attacks.
Their public charter calls for the return of all branches of government.
Demonstrations broke out following the execution of 6 more alleged Fireflies.
You can still rise with us. Remember, when you're lost in the darkness, look for the light. Believe in the Fireflies.
Fireflies. Kumbang. Apa namanya yang klip itu? Yang kuning. Kunang-kunang. Kumbang. Kunang-kunang. Oke, ini bapaknya tadi. 20 tahun kemudian. Udahan gamenya, udahan game. Doa mau apain sih, Sep? Nah, siapa lagi nih? Ibunya kah?
How was your morning?
Kayaknya bukan deh.
Want one?
No, I don't want one.
Well, I have some interesting news for you.
Where were you, Tess?
West End District. Hey, we had a drop to make.
We had a drop to make.
Well, you weren't
Tiba-tiba
left
suara
alone,
kipas
remember?
PS-nya hilang gitu loh.
So I'll take one guess. The whole deal went south and the client made off
Iya,
with our pills.
langsung hilang gitu loh.
Deal went off without a
Bagus dah.
hitch. Enough ration cards to last us a couple of months, easy.
You want to explain this?
I was on my way back here, and I got jumped by these 2 assholes, all right? And yeah, they got a few good hits in, but... Look, I managed.
Give me that. Are these assholes still with us?
That's funny.
Let's find out who they were.
Yeah, look, they were a couple of nobodies. They don't matter. What matters is that Robert fucking sent them.
Our Robert.
He knows that we're after him. He figures he's gonna get us first.
Son of a bitch, he's smart.
No. He's not smart enough. I know where he's hiding.
Like hell you do.
Old warehouse in Area 5. Can't say for how long, though.
Well, I'm ready now. Yeah?
What I can do now.
Katanya ada pengkhianat teman kita. Namanya si Robert. Yang ngirim orang buat nyikat si siapa tadi ceweknya ini, 2 orang buat nyikat si ceweknya ini.
Checkpoint's still open.
We got a few hours left until curfew.
We better hurry up then. I've been selected for outside work duty.
That's such crap. Soldiers.
Dia kayak berhenti gitu loh. Tuh.
I'll make sure to tell them that.
Tuh. Why? Ada beberapa di spot. Nah. Padahal analognya gua dorong terus nih.
Look at that. Ration line hasn't opened yet. Must be running low again.
Itu yang jual bukan ya? Sepertinya. Nggak tahu juga. APD bro. Ngapain nih? Cok. Kita mau nonton dulu deh. Oh, nggak mau gua, nggak mau lihat, bodoh amat. Kena dolar, nggak kena dolar sih, paling kena warning gitu. Nah kan, tembak kan? Gua kata. Yang laki-laki ini kan Joel. Ya siapa sih? Orang nggak main Last of Us juga bisa tahu, cok. Udah ada trailernya, udah ada. Terus udah banyak klip-klipnya. Joel.
What's your business here? Had the day off. Visiting a friend. All right, they went through it. Thanks.
Oke. Oh. Perang. Sumpah itu perang. Manusia lawan manusia itu. Mari. Soalnya tembak-tembakan, bro.
So much for the easy route. Patch yourself up, alright?
Apa itu? Health kit. Panah atas habis itu. Oke, panah atas habis itu R2. Sip.
They're gonna close all the checkpoints. We're gonna have to go around the outside.
Outside the wall.
Or we could just let Robert go.
Cute.
Hey Tess, you see
US
that shit?
Army.
I was there. Hey, how's the east tunnel looking?
Yeah, it's clear. I just used it. No patrols. And where are you off to?
Get up here,
Ini
Robert.
siapa lagi, cok?
You
Tiba-tiba
too?
ada dia.
Marlene. She's been asking around, trying to find him.
Marlene? What do the Fireflies need with Robert?
You think she'd tell me?
Well, what did you tell her?
Truth. I got no idea where he's hiding.
Good man. Hey, you stay out of trouble, all right? Military's gonna be out in force soon.
Yeah, see you around.
Marlene itu katanya ada hubungannya sama Fireflies. Fireflies berarti Marlene.
Marlene looking for
Yang
Robert.
berhubungan sama Robert.
I don't like it.
Looking for Robert, nyari Robert.
Fireflies did.
Temen kita itu. Yang tadi ngianatin kita. Kata si cewek ini. Nah, siapa lagi nih?
This is us.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Shit's stirring up out there. How we looking over here?
It's been quiet. No signs of military, in fact.
That's what I like to hear.
Poker.
Joel, give me a hand with this.
Oh, alright. Oke. Wait, sabar. Aduh. Oke, sip. Mari kita main lagi.
I'll take it easy out there.
Oh, God, this place reeks. I need to watch what you throw away down here. It'll be late.
Generator. gear. Ya, klasik silang buat lompat.
Our backpacks are still here from last time.
Tuh. Dia berhenti gitu loh.
A lot of ammo.
The shots count.
Pistol. Pelurunya tinggal sedikit. Reload. Ini buat keker ya, biasa lah ya. Cuma 4 cok, amonya gimana sih? Halo bang, masih ingat gua gak bang? Halo Dava. Saya udah lama nggak streaming bro.
Come on.
Oh, silang kah? Oh ya. Kuat itu tangan. Udah rame aja nih. Ya, alhamdulillah untung aja. Kirain gua nggak bakal, kirain gua live streaming sendiri gitu. Oke. Kayaknya gua mau explore sedikit. Ada sesuatu atau apa gitu, nggak ada sih.
I've been out here in a while.
It's like we're on a date.
Well, I am the romantic type.
Got your ways.
Oke. Aduh, frame-nya drop.
Where's the ladder?
It's got to be around here somewhere.
Where's the ladder? Where is the ladder? Itu apa? Masih sit.
Hey, try over there.
Got it.
Great, bring it over.
Oh iya, siap. Ini apaan nih? Hide and seek bla bla bla.
Ladies first.
Ladies first.
Lady, you must be thinking of someone else.
It's all relative.
This way.
Oh. Wait. Hold up. Bentar. Tidak ada. Oh, apa ini? Upgrade your weapon. Oke, buat upgrade weapon. Tuh, dia berhenti gitu loh. Heran dah gue. Firefly tadi. Apa ini? David Michael Vigil. Firefly apa tadi tuh? Apa itu? Mungkin kalungnya kali ya. Karena ada namanya.
Down through here. You think Robert's still got any guns?
For his sake, he better.
Once we get our merchandise back, it should be easy to unload.
Speaking of merchandise, when's that next shipment due?
We'll meet Bill next month. More pills, lots of ammo. Supposedly.
Bro, maju cok. Loh.
Should keep us busy for a while.
Hold up. Spores.
Spores. Darah yang tidak bisa dihirup. Seperti ini. Nah, kayak beracun nih.
Where are all these coming from? The place was clear last time.
Coming out of something.
Tuh, kenapa ya ini ya?
There's our culprit.
God, he's not that old. Better keep your eyes and ears open.
Masih baru.
Should be able to fit through here.
Oh.
You okay?
Yeah. Damn ceiling's falling apart. Be careful.
This way.
Easy.
Oh.
My mask broke. Don't leave me to turn. Please.
What do you want to do?
Okay, I'll make it fast. Sorry.
Poor bastard.
Biar cepet. Biar nggak kesiksa, bro. Soalnya katanya maskernya kan rusak. Tidak ada apa-apa. Hold F1. Sneak up on the infected to okay. Sneaky, bro. Harus pencet kotak gitu ya. Siap. How do we get them? Saya lewatin aja. Kita naik. Bisa kan naik? Alright, sip. Bisa naik. Bisa kita lewatin. Oh, di atas nggak ada. Oke. Sip. Oh shit, high step. Mereka kesini kak. Astaga. Siapa yang bawa lo kesini? Sip. Buat fightnya sih oke aja sih. Kayaknya ada ruangan yang belum kita explore di bawah tadi deh, di sebelah sini. Nah, ini nggak ada apa-apa, nggak ada ammo atau apa kayak gitu, nggak ada. Nah, apa tuh? Cemilan. Oke, ammo. Nice. Dapat ammo, bro. 8 sekarang ammo gue. Sip. Tuh, dia tuh kayak berhenti gitu loh. Nggak tahu ini sticknya apa gimana ya.
Fresh air. That's the one thing I like about the outside. Smells.
Why don't you ask Bill to get you some of them air pressures?
Nah. Kayak gitu-gitu cok. Nah, besok ntar next stream ganti stick deh. Coba pakai yang satu lagi. Kalau misalkan masih sama berarti emang gamenya. Watch your step.
Plank fell down. Be a dear, would you?
I get it.
Oke. Itu plank itu ada orang-orang bisa di, oh enggak, kirain gua ada apa. Sip, nggak ada apa-apa.
Here, pass it to me.
It's a bit heavy.
I think I can handle it.
All right.
Terus kita naiknya gimana, bro? Ah, itu ada kolong. Oke, sip.
There we go.
Nah,
Bossy today.
Getting close.
kita mau ketemu apa namanya, Robert nih. Tadi bilang menangkap Robert. Alamatnya dia si Tess sudah tahu. Katanya si Robert pengkhianat. Makanya mau kita sikat nih orang. Oke. Bulet. Semua ditutup jendela, bro. Oke. Ayo, Cok. Lah, ngapa jalan? Pick up the ammo. Oke. Oh, siapa itu, bro?
Hey, little man. Make sure the coast is clear. No soldiers, none of Robert's men, right?
Okay.
You know he's expecting us.
Well, that'll make it more interesting. Good to go. Come on.
Udah nungguin kita tuh anak kecil. Tahu juga deh.
Not right now, Terrence.
No, it's good. Look,
Not now. You hear me?
Okay.
Ini kenalannya si Tess semua kayaknya. Kita kesini. Oke. Seram-seram sekali. Mohon maaf.
You touch it, you buy it.
Oh, oke.
Tess, it's been a while. You don't visit us anymore.
Think you were going.
Oh, oke.
Malik, sit back there.
Sorry, Tess. Didn't realize you two were together. Go ahead.
Oke. Si Tess kayak punya reputasi yang sangat baik di sini.
An old headache. Don't ask.
Oh, ada yang lagi ngasah. Oh itu tuh. Lagi ngasah pisang. Mana? Oh, ini.
I'm looking for Robert. You come through here?
Half hour ago. We went back to the wharf. He's there now.
Oke. Banyak informannya ya, si Tess. Look for the light. Aduh, tuh. Gak mau maju, Cok.
Here we go.
Oke. Ah.
Let us through.
You guys need to turn around and head back if you know what's good for you.
Our beef isn't with you. We just want Robert. You don't want to do this.
Turn the fuck around and leave now.
I'm not going anywhere without Robert.
Bitch, I'm gonna bash your skull unless you turn around and get your dumb ass out of here.
Fuck this.
Take cover!
You ready?
Yeah.
I'll cover you. Get the angle on them.
Alright. Hey, Cok! Astaga. Cover me, please. Itu orang. Nice. What's a good shot. Aduh, nggak headshot ya tadi. Nice, headshot. Nice. Let's go.
Nicely done, Texas.
You too.
Nggak ada ammo kah?
If Robert's good at one thing, it's writing blank checks. Let's go put an end to that.
Tinggal 9 ammo gua. Cuma kepake 3 sih.
Not going through here. Give me your hand. There you go. Over here, Joel.
Oke, ada apa?
More Robert's guys.
How do you know they're coming? 2 of our guys died trying to take Tess out. I guarantee that she and Joel are on their way here right now to get Robert.
Jesus. We shouldn't have taken this job.
Not our call. Let's spread out and make sure no one's creeping around in here.
Move up. Move up.
Sana. Oke, ada 1, 2 di sana. 2 orang.
Take one, take the other.
Oke, berarti kita ngambil yang sana.
Cracking down on
Oke.
There's another one. Over there.
Kunci. Warehouse key.
Let's search the area.
Oh. Apa ini botol? Oke.
What about Robert? He'll be holding up there tonight. He's paranoid to stay here by himself.
We'll check in with the others to come up with you.
Oh no. Oh shit. Aduh, cabut, Cok. awas bro, awas mas. Aduh, gagal, Cok. Aduh, miss. Bodo amat, ajar. Agak mati-mati, cok. Ada lagi situ. Sekarat nih lo. Ntar. Ya, bentar dulu, bentar. Ya, ntar maghrib. Bentar. Ya, bentar. Bentar dah. Hai. Bentar ya. Sebentar. Cok, astaga. Bentar, pause dulu. Bentar. Ya. Bang, kangen gua. Astaga. Where is he?
Nice looking out.
Mana satu lagi, Cok? Ya udah. Gua nggak lihat dia loh. Mana gila? Mana coba? Oh itu. Wah, cabut. Main gitu amat ya. Lempar botol, cabut. Slowly, pelan. Kirain gue tinggal satu. Satu, dua, tiga. Pipa kapan dilanjutin? Oh iya, pipa. Shit. Okay. Ini kenapa sih si Joel kayak majunya gitu-gitu?
There's two ways out of this.
Come here. Oke. Dia ke atas. Ke sini. Aduh, nggak jadi ke atas dia, Cok. Tarik. Taiti deh. Pokoknya yang paling atas, Ya. Ganti game. Sabar, bro.
What you got?
Aduh. Dia nggak ke atas loh, anjir. Satu ke atas kek. Nah, nice. That's how you do it. Oh. Where is he? Oh, jangan ditembak. Hemat ammo. Hemat. Sabar. Hemat. Oh, sabar. Hemat bro, cuma 8 ini peluru. Kita lempar habis itu. Oh, oke.
We should have brought more people.
Okay.
Slow us down.
Yeah, you're right. Come on, the docks are this way. Let's do this.
Bang, beli pipa 200 ribuan di Shopee. Waduh, FIFA 2023 200.000. Ada botol. Ya ada yang bener kamu Arka. Oh, holy shit. Oke, itu Robert. Mereka nggak denger apa ini? Barusan pintu pintu kayak gitu dibuka. Combat or stealth consider supplies when choosing how to engage the enemy. Oke, sip. Tentu saja kita coba sneaky dan akan memakan waktu tentu ya kalau misalkan sneaky. Oke. The note. Tidak tahu, pokoknya ada gitu aja, gitulah ya, pokoknya ada. Alright. Oh. Oke, dia gerak. Nice and slow. Nice. Kayu. Oh, come on. Aduh. Come on, ayolah. Holy shit. Sabar bro. Ntar gua cek abis stream. What the sekali getok botol ini langsung mati sih dia. Mana lagi? Oh shit. Bodoh. Cok. Kepung ini 3 nih. Mau. Pakai botol sekali hantem. Sumpah mau gua hantem nih 1. Cuma mereka deketan gitu loh. Ada 3, cok 4. 3. Sakit. Hahaha. Tidak jadi gua nembak karena tidak headshot, bro. Ayo maju lah. Nice. Oh, lari lagi. Oke. Sip. Oh. Aduh. Nice. Kepake lagi healan nih. Gamenya kaku. Ini game 2013 bro. Ya wajar lah. What do you expect? Kalau misalkan dibandingin sama game-game lainnya kalah bro. 2013. Pakai itu amoni satunya. Aduh. Tinggal 7 ammo gua. Nggak ada item. Ini ada hasilnya.
Let's go.
Buset, bobo bata, udah kayak preman bener-bener. Oh shit. Udah dicek belum? Belum. Amonya habis bro. Kocak lu ya, malah kuncing. Pabrik. Oh shit, where's he going? Sini. Kiri. Oh, oke.
Hello, Robert.
Yes. Joel.
Hi.
No hard feelings, right?
None at all.
God damn it!
We missed you.
Look, whatever it is you heard, it ain't true, okay? I just want to say...
The guns. You want to tell us where the guns are?
Yeah, sure. It's complicated. Look, all right, just hear me out on this. I got...
Oh.
Fuck. Stop!
Quit your squirming. You were saying?
I sold him.
Excuse me.
I didn't have much of a choice. I owe someone.
You owed us. I'd say you bet on the wrong horse.
I just need more time. Just give me a week.
You know, I might have done that if you hadn't tried to fucking kill me.
But it won't
Who
like
has
that.
our guns?
Dijual ke?
I can't. Just give me a couple of...
Ow.
Who has our guns?
Patah cep tangannya.
It's the Fireflies. I owed the Fireflies.
What?
Look,
Fireflies?
they're basically all dead. We could just go in there, finish them off. We get the guns. What do you say? Come on. Man, fuck those fireflies. Let's go get them.
That is a stupid idea.
Well, now what?
We go get our merchandise back.
How?
I don't know. We explain it to them. Look, let's go find a firefly.
We don't have to look very far.
Oh, siapa nih?
Yo, we ain't firefly.
Why are you here?
Business. You're looking so hot.
Where's Robert? I needed him alive.
The guns he gave you, they weren't his to sell. I want them back.
Doesn't work like that, Tess.
The hell it doesn't.
I paid for those guns. You want them back? You're gonna have to earn them.
How many cards are we talking about?
I don't give a damn about ration cards. I need something smuggled out of the city. You do that, I'll give you your guns back. Then some.
How do we know you got them? Well, I hear the military's been wiping you guys out.
Right about that. I'll show you the weapons. I gotta move. What's it gonna be?
I want to see those guns.
Follow me.
Pergi dulu bang, mau sholat. Bagus. Apa aman, santai.
We gotta move.
Bentar. Cek item dulu. Ini apa sih? Nah kan ada kan? Item apa kagak ngerti. Gua tahu. Ambil. Baru we gotta move tapi item dulu. Ayo, jalan.
You're here. I know a way around this. Come on.
Kenapa harus lo senggol itu? Astaga. Iseng. Yuk, naik. Oh.
Holy shit. Is that your people? What's left of them. Why do you think I'm turning to you guys? This way.
So why now?
Waiting to fight. They've been planning on leaving the city, but they need a scapegoat. They've been trying to rile us up.
It's like they did.
We're trying to defend ourselves.
Ini buat upgrade senjata kita tadi katanya. Yang gear itu tuh.
Joel, give me a hand with this.
Alright.
Hey, how you holding up?
I'll live.
Ada sesuatu kan? Tuh kayak stop gitu loh. Oke.
Soldiers. That's the way out. The door into the bridge.
Ain't a big fan of these eyes.
We can sneak by them. They only know that's not our stone.
We'll see how it goes. Let's get moving.
We need to get to that door.
How much? Oke.
Wait for no one, Private.
Gua take down yang ini dan berharap mereka bakal ngambil, salah satu dari mereka bakal take out yang itu. Oke. Item. Oh, kaget gue. Ya Allah. Gila, orang tiba-tiba lari kayak gitu, astaga. I guess so. Sabar, yang depan. Oke, sip. Nice. Ngapain mereka? Ada 2. Sabar. Butuh kesabaran memang. Maju dikit. Oke. Yang sana ngadep mana, bro? Oh, ngadep sana, aman. Yuk.
Good takedown.
Oh no, yang satu ngeliat. Tolong, cover, tolong. Cok. Lu gila kali ya? Dapat 5. Nice lah. Ketembak sekali. Oke. Tuh. Kenapa dah? Halo? Cok. Ini sticknya ya? Dari awal main. Jadi kita kemana? Botol aja, botol lebih garing. Kaget kok di situ dia. Ada 12, 1 botol. Alright, so far so good.
Where are we going, Marlene?
This way. It's not far now.
How you holding up?
I'm running on fumes. I'll make it. The place is right up ahead.
Curfew is now in full effect. Anyone caught outside without proper authorization will be arrested and prosecuted.
The hell are we smuggling?
I'll show you.
Something tidak ada. Apa ya?
Joel, give me a hand with this.
Bentar, saya nyari barang item enggak ada. Aduh.
Fuck away from her!
Oh.
Let her go.
Recruiting kind of young, huh?
She's not one of mine.
Shit. What happened?
Don't worry, this is fixable. I got his help.
Ini yang di thumbnail kan?
I can't come with you.
Perempuan, cewek yang di thumbnail, anak-anaknya.
Well, then I'm staying.
Ellie, we won't get another shot at this.
You're smuggling her?
There's
Ellie.
a crew of Fireflies that'll meet you at the Capitol building.
That's not exactly close.
You're capable. You hand her off, come back, the weapons are yours. Double what Robert sold me.
Speaking of which, where are
Okay.
they?
Back in our camp.
We're not smuggling shit until I see them.
You'll follow me. You can verify the weapons. I can get patched up. But she's not crossing to that part of town. I want Joel to watch over her.
Whoa, I don't
Well,
think that's
shit,
the
I'm not
best
Ellie.
idea.
him. How do you know them?
I was close with his brother Tommy. Said if I was ever in a jam, I could rely on him.
Was that before or after he left your little militia group?
He left you too. He was a good man.
I could just take her to the North Tunnel and wait for me there.
Jesus Christ.
It's just cargo, Joel.
No more talk. You'll be fine. Now go with him.
Don't take long. And you, stay close.
Itu berarti kita nganterin si Ellie ke satu tempat. Terus si Tess mau ngeliat senjatanya dulu. Bentar deh, dingin sekali cek. Hai Ellie. Okay.
Oh. I heard all the shooting. What happened?
Fireflies. Same thing's gonna happen to us.
Siapa itu? Variant worn by members of the Fireflies. Pelipliu. Di sana nggak ada apa-apaan kan tadi? Oke, kita nggak boleh ketangkap sama tentara-tentara itu berarti. Jadi kita
Down here.
Ellie. Ih, dianggun banget lu, gue liat-liat lu. Aduh, turun tangga segala begitu. Oh jangan lihat ini tentara banyak. Kita bisa nggak? Okay.
Up there. That'll get us to the North Tunnel.
How are we supposed to reach
Up.
that?
Oh ini.
Just give me a minute.
Ah. Ya, seperti ya game-game survival kayak gini tidak luput pasti dari ngambil kotak buat manjat. Apalagi yang buat Naughty Dog kan. Sama aja kayak Uncharted, bro. Ya, gue tunggu. Ya.
Yep. Sometimes. No, it's a first. What's the deal with you and Marlene anyways?
I don't know. She's my friend, I guess.
Your
Friend.
You're friends with the leader of the Fireflies. 12?
She knew my mom, and she's been looking after me. And I'm 14. Not that that has anything to do with anything.
Okay.
Where are your parents?
Where are anyone's parents? They've been gone a long, long time.
So instead of just staying in school, you decided to run off and join the Fireflies, right?
Look, I'm not supposed to tell you why you're smuggling me, if that's what you're getting at.
You know the best thing about my job? I don't gotta know why. To be honest with you, I give two shits when I work here.
Well, great.
Good.
Oh, kesini.
Is it?
Apa kita? Okay.
What are you doing?
Killing time.
Well, what am I supposed to do?
I'm sure you will figure that out.
Okay.
The watch is broken.
Itu jam yang dikasih anaknya.
You mumble in your sleep. I hate bad dreams.
Ngigau.
Yeah, me too.
It's rainy day.
You know, I've never been this close. It's the outside. Look how dark it is. Can't be any worse out there. Can it?
What on earth do the Fireflies want with you?
Hey.
Oh.
Sorry it took so long. Soldiers fucking everywhere.
How's Marlene?
She'll make it. I saw the merchandise. It's a lot. Wanna do this?
Yeah.
Oh,
Let's
ya.
go.
Oke. Kita berarti nganterin si anaknya, terus senjata kita bakal dibalikin sama si Fireflies. That's the deal.
It's strange that they're having us do their smuggling.
Marlene wanted to do it herself. We weren't their first choice. Or the second, for that matter. She's lost a lot of men. Beggars can't be choosers.
Just hope there's someone alive to pay us.
Someone will be around. Come on.
Tapi pas cutscene kipas PS-nya tuh nggak sekenceng pas gue main. Ya iyalah. Apa nih? Ah, oke, dipasin. Nice. Buset, ada liftnya.
Who's waiting for us at the drop-off?
She said there's some Fireflies that have traveled all the way from another city. The girl must be important. What is the deal with you? You some bigwig's daughter or something?
Something like that. How long is this all gonna take?
If everything goes as planned, we should get you to them in a few hours. Ellie, once we get out there, I need you to follow our lead and stay close.
Yeah.
Terus route map. Berarti kayaknya patroli si apa namanya soldier itu ya, tentara. Ya berguna nggak berguna sih, itu nggak berguna juga, itu buat tambahan doang. Kita kan tinggal ngikutin jalannya doang nih, nggak perlu kayak apa namanya ngeliat mana. Ada.
All right, we're good. Come on up. Come on, kid. Watch your step. It's raining. We'll do this again.
Holy shit. I'm actually outside.
Belum pernah keluar dia loh. Ayolah jalan lah.
Up this way.
Yuk. Baru. Oh.
Move. Turn around, on your knees.
Baru jalan. Sudah tertangkap saja ini.
Put your hands on your head. This is Ramirez of Sector 12. Requesting pickup for 3 stragglers. Understood.
Look the other way. Gonna make this worth your while.
Shut up. Tired of this shit. What's the ETA?
Couple minutes.
Si Ellie terinfeksi kah?
I thought we were just gonna hold him up or something.
Oh shit. Look.
Ya kan? Positif.
Marlene set us up? Why the hell are we smuggling an infected girl?
I'm not infected.
No? Just lying?
I can explain.
You better explain fast.
Look at this.
I don't care how you got infected.
It's 3 weeks old.
No, everyone turns within 2 days, so you stop bullshitting.
It's 3 weeks. I swear. Why would she set you up?
I ain't buying it.
Oh no.
Tess, run.
Run! Go! Go! Move!
Holy shit! I got 2 dead uniforms. I repeat, I got 2 casualties and with this.
When I give you the signal, we run. Now, run.
Go, go!
Stay away from those lights. Ellie, it's gonna be another sprint. You ready?
Sure. Yeah.
God damn it. They're everywhere.
Ada yang nonton loh ini.
I see him, I see him.
We're up to God's roof. Check the trenches.
Just stay back.
I don't see anything down there. Are you sure they came this way?
How much? 3 biji di atas.
Don't let him see you.
Follow Joel.
Oke, sabar. Tunggu dia balik badan dulu, bro. Sabar. Nggak bisa lewat dari sana. Bentar. Putar. Oke, ada satu di sana. Gimana nih, Cuk? Oke, sabar. Pas dia nengok sana ya, coba ya. Aduh. Woi, I'm back. Sepertinya ada yang back lagi. Siapa tuh? Oke, ternyata bisa, bro. Astaga. Apa kita jangan kena flash lagi ya? All good. Ayo, mari.
See anything?
Have a look up ahead.
So far, so good.
So far, so good. Rusuh. Di depan nggak ada apa. Clear. Awas. Oke.
I hear him up ahead.
Oke, itu dia mereka.
Hold up.
Shit, stay.
Go.
Oke.
Fuck it. Let the clickers get him.
Clickers. Zombinya disebut clicker. Dia cabut berarti ya. Ada itemnya. Awas. Cok. Oke.
We can get through here.
Nggak ada item loh. Dari tadi. Nice. Tahu apaan tuh, bulat dulu. Yang pasti kemungkinan besar akan berguna. Bentar, bro, nyalain lampu dulu, sabar. Oke. Sepi bet yuk. Tahu nih. Ya nonton 4, Cok. Tapi nggak ada yang komen. Ya, Yo, di live siapa aja ini tidak tahu gua. Buset, dia rame amat. Diem aja, diem.
It's too many, Tess.
Oh shit. Depan gua sumpah. Orang gila ya. Mati nih, sumpah. Mati. Sorry. Cok. Healing dulu. Ini pistol apa lagi? Oh udah. Cabut dulu. Loh, dia nggak ketawa.
Check over here. How are you, man?
More lights.
Can we just lewatin aja, bisa nggak ya lewatin? Oke, kita jalan. Oke. Tapi dapat peluru banyak bro ini. Aduh, depan lagi ah. Oh enggak, dia nggak ke truk nih. Kirain gua ke truk ini cok.
Through here, come on.
Ayo bisa ini dapet dia. Grab, cok. Kita kemana sekarang? Dapat dia. Cok, orang lagi. Ini maksudnya take down ini. Take down tentaranya. Lah, kemana kita? Oh ini. Sip. Udah ya, Sep.
Yeah, this looks right. Stay close.
At least we're out of the way.
Oh, kirain dapat dia itu. Gue doain moga-moga cepet dapet lu, Sep. Mataharinya bagus sekali, oren-oren gitu, cok. Aduh, langsung ini mata gue. Apaan sih? Salham, ada lagi Salham. Kita kemana, cok? Halo, kemana kita ini, Cok? Kayu gua rusak, ya kan? Mana kita, Cok? Salahnya itu salah paham ya guys ya. Oke, sip. Astaga, ada lubang di sini ternyata.
Shit. We got more soldiers.
Target's still on the loose, sir. Break off pursuit and report back to Sector 11.
I don't think they see us. Stay in the shadows.
Lampu tuh ngaruh nggak sih? Ngaruh ke musuhnya gitu nggak sih? Nggak ada item. Oh, dia udah berdiri. Sip. Nah, ada yang buat upgrade senjata.
Are we safe?
No, you're still around. But take a moment to get you back. Joel, see if there's anything we can use in here.
Sure thing, boss.
Sure thing, boss. Oke, ammo. Nice. Ada 15, bro. Satu magazine berapa sih ammonya? Satu klik.
Tess, up through here through this pipe. I think we can make it through here.
Stay very close, Ellie.
Okay.
Oke. Oh. Mereka balik. Oke. Wah, pada ngilang. Iya, makanya tiba-tiba dua cok.
Alright, they're gone.
What was the plan? Let's say that we deliver you to the Fireflies. What then?
Marlene, she said that they have their own little quarantine zone with doctors there still trying to find a cure.
Yeah, we've heard that before, huh, Tess?
And that whatever happened to me is the key to finding a vaccine.
Oh, Jesus.
It's what she said.
Oh, I'm sure she did.
Hey, fuck you, man. I didn't ask for this.
Me neither. Tess, what the hell are we doing here?
What if it's true?
I can't...
What if, Joel? I mean, we've come this far. Let's just finish it.
Do I need to remind you what is out there?
I get it.
Pulpen yang terletak tiba-tiba ngilang. Ya emang.
This
Masih
way.
gitu udah.
If we cut through downtown, we can hit the Capitol building by sunrise.
Dan sepertinya gue end stream dulu karena sudah maghrib. Oke, sip, udah dulu dah. Ntar kalau misalkan habis isya ya jam 7-an baru live lagi. Nggak tahu ya, gua nggak janji juga. Oke, sip. Terima kasih.